Prove that sin 90 degree minus theta by 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta by 1 minus cos 90 degree minus theta equals 2 secant theta. Take LHS sin 90 degree minus theta by 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta by 1 minus cos 90 degree minus theta. We know that sin 90 degree minus theta equals cos theta. Write down cos theta by 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta by, we know that cos 90 degree minus theta is sin theta. Write down 1 as it is minus cos 90 degree minus theta is sin theta. Next, take LCM. Cos theta, LCM is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Simplify first fraction into LCM. Cos theta by 1 plus sin theta into LCM. Here 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta will be cancelled. Remaining cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. Write down here cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. Next, second fraction. Cos theta by 1 minus sin theta into LCM. Here 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta will be cancelled. Remaining cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. Write down here cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. Then LCM of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Here multiply inside the brackets. Cos theta into 1 cos theta minus cos theta into sin theta cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta into 1 cos theta plus cos theta into sin theta cos theta into sin theta. Here apply a plus b into a minus b identity. A plus b into a minus b equals a square minus b square. Then we get 1 minus sin square theta. Here next, plus cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta will be cancelled. Next, here plus cos theta become 2 cos theta. In the denominator 1 minus sin square theta. We know that identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. Then cos square theta equals 1 minus sin square theta. Here substitute 1 minus sin square theta equals cos square theta. Here numerator 1 cos theta and denominator 1 cos theta will be cancelled. Then remaining 2 by cos theta equals 2 into 1 by cos theta. We know that 1 by cos theta equals secant theta. Here 2 into secant theta. Hence it is proved.